Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. Friends, you want to pair Wi-Fi network guys with the QR code, so how to pair it today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. First of all guys, which device guys you want to share network. So on this phone setting, Wi-Fi setting, suppose guys this Wi-Fi network guys you want to share. First guys I will connect this network, and guys now infinix phone guys open your phone setting, Wi-Fi setting guys on your Wi-Fi, and when this phone guys you will have to click on setting option. Once you can share option guys, click here share option, and once you have any pattern any password, so enter your password and draw your pattern. And guys you can see nearby share, so we will on the infinix phone right side scanner. As you can see scan QR code to join Wi-Fi. So guys now we will scan this QR code. So friends, in your Infinix phone guys, after scan QR code, you will get a notification this connect option. So guys, tap here to connect. As you can see, Wi-Fi network is connected. Infinix phone with QR code. So like that guy, we can pair Wi-Fi network with QR code in Infinix phone. And friends, you can use this Wi-Fi network after pair. Friends, you can use your YouTube, your online apps, your WhatsApp, Instagram, Chrome, Google, Snapchat, like that app guys, you can use it. So I hope friends you've understood how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Wi-Fi setting? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye guys.